Today is 11/10/2020, and we're expecting a really big storm. So I just thought I'd take the CrossTour outside and record as much of it as I can. I can't put it out here because it's raining. A little while ago the tornado sirens were going off, so this is going to be a doozy. About 10 minutes ago while I was up on the computer, and then Dory came up and said that she saw it on television and that I should shut all my computers off, and I did. So then I thought, well, I might as well go out in the garage and see if I can record some of it. Well, hey, I'm not afraid of dying. Yes, wow. I think they're going to heal right now. It's not, it's starting to heal now. I think you sit down and look at that picture and you'll slow down. And I'm not seeing anything about raising the story. Something like that in 2005. Yeah. Well, I better go on. Bye-bye. It seems like all the big storm, all the big thunder, all the big lightning is off to the south, like Kenosha, south of there, Chicago maybe. I think all of ours is pretty well done, and time to go back in the house. The rain's good. Now you'll be able to see the brand new red screen door. Woohoo! And the red door. Right there. Huh? There's my honey. That was great.
we still have that snow flying in the Minneapolis area tonight as well, just to show you the warnings that we have. Talk about a November system here, right? Tornado watches, those are going to go by the wayside shortly in Milwaukee. That tornado warning for Kenosha County will be done in 1 minute and 15 seconds. And there are winter storm warnings up towards Minneapolis. They are expecting additional accumulations up there of 4 to 6 inches of snow. They're expecting 4 to 7 inches of snow in northwestern Wisconsin, along with 1/10 of an inch of ice. We are not expecting snow in our part of the state.